Assalamualaikum. Viewers, we are at the stall of Midea, and with us we have Mr. Ron, who is the vice president of the company. We'll talk to him about the company. Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Thanks for coming.
So, how has the experience been till now about the Solar Expo here in Pakistan?
Yeah, pretty good. I think everything goes fine, and a lot of traffic. People seem to be very interested in the show. We also have seen a lot of demands, and in general, very impressive event.
So, sir, for our viewers, tell us a little about your company and how has your experience been in Pakistan?
Right. So for maybe the really top company in China, among the 200 high technology companies. So we got like 50 billion US dollar revenue for last year. We got steady growth many years down the line. So for Hiconics, we are also listed company more than 10 years back, and we focus on the technology innovation, especially from power electronic point of view. So we are also now really entering the renewable energy business. So for Midea, especially lately, early this year, we made a very official announcement that we set up the new energy business unit, which has not happening in last 6 or 7 years. This is the indeed a demonstration of our long-term commitment to enter the renewable energy business. So in general, Mighty has been profoundly doing business in different industry. Probably have been known worldwide for the high technology business regarding the HVAC, heat pumps, air conditioning, or as well as various home electric appliances. And so this renewable energy definitely going to add in much more value, because if you look around our slogan energy link soul is also our strategy that we will not only providing customer different sets of the solutions, but also the end-to-end package focusing on energy to link everything together to provide a customer the very cost-effective solution, affordability, and also the level of comfort.
So, for customers in Pakistan, it has been observed that the customers are very price conscious and they go for the brand which is offering the product in a lower price. So, what will your strategy be going forward for expanding your business in Pakistan?
Yeah, price sensitivity is never an issue. We think, at the end of the day, for especially from the renewable energy point of view, we should give customers, all the end users, the affordability of using their energy. So we focus on the product innovation and try to make the optimize the cost from the day one. And also we are giving the customer the end-to-end solution thanks to our expertise in different industry, which actually can synergize our solution. And in the meantime, the cost of for instance, the batteries and the panels and also the BOS always going down. I mean, long term. So that essentially give the customer the options to go for something more cost effective. But I would say, today the energy independence is becoming more and more important. Of course, the pricing, the cost reduction, always the same. So that's also, for Medi Group as a whole, what we are trying to also have the right balance on the providing the very nice product, but also giving the customer the choice of the good cost.
Right. So, how do you see the market in Pakistan, and how do you see the potential of your business growing here in the future?
If I look at the Pakistan market in the past 10 years, it's always driven by the also energy costs, and also even I remember 15 years back, Pakistan was one of the countries used to initiate the solar farms, starting from 100 megawatt. This was a really centralized system, but now I see the system going for more and more less centralized, more decentralized and distributed. So even along the way to Lahore, I have seen, luckily, gladly to see a lot of the rooftops on the household has been deployed many of our solar panels, and the government was really encouraging the deployment of the solar. That was the reason why you got the net metering incentive that from beginning. Now we are seeing the transition to net billing system, which give the people another choice of shifting from the purely PV system to be the storage oriented. By the way, by doing that, I think customers will be much more proactive than rather than in the older days, the passive acceptance to the energy. They can actually know how to manage the energy flow more freely, and then you can have at the end of the day the sort of liberty of the energy at home.
It's a very insightful discussion. Thank you so much for talking to us.
My pleasure. Thanks.